In this video we will create the chart for the last year values. So we go to Insert and then we select a 2D column chart. We mark the chart and press the right mouse key and then select Data. Click on the button Add. We name it last year and the values from cell E8 until E19. Okay, then we will add the maximum value. That's here from cell G8. Okay, and then here for the horizontal Excel labels we take the months from January until December. Okay, and okay. Then we will mark the vertical axis major grid lines and delete them, and we click on the vertical axis and delete them. Then we make a double click to the maximum value here and series overlap to 100% and get width to, let's say, 59%. Then we click on the bucket and we say no fill for the maximum value. Then we make a double click here on the months, go to the bucket and at line solid line we select a black color and 2.5 points. Okay, then we mark the last year values and we choose a gray color. Then we will click on Chart Design, so the button Add Chart Element, Data Labels, More Data Label Options, and the value we will place it in the inside brace. Then we will make a double click to our chart and borderline solid line and a black color. Okay, that's the first step. So now we have our last year values here, and in the next video we will create the positive deviations.